This 2020 Jayco Eagle 334 RLOK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, TV antenna, awning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, oven, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Eagle 334 RLOK is 10,755 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.